Best $100 investment for resale rights. So, what are resale rights? Reseller profits. The revenue earned by promoting and selling products with resale or PLL rights with 100% profit retention. The earning potential depends on one's ability to generate traffic and convert leads using provided tools and strategies. So, what's PLR? Private label rights. Allows you to purchase to resell products as their own and retain 100% of the profit. They can even be modified. The content can or branded under their own name, providing flexibility and increased profit potential for digital marketers. So this PDF is called Strategy Manual. It's a comprehensive guide outlining the steps and tactics to implementing the business model, effectively maximizing traffic and optimize conversions. It acts as a blueprint for success with the $100 investment system. Affiliate marketing, a business model where individuals promote products or services from other companies and earn commission from each sale, or action generated through referral links. Effective affiliate marketing leverages targeted traffic and persuasive content. You also get mentorship, guidance, and proven strategies from experienced mentor, which can be key factor in achieving online business success. And mentor shares best practices, actionable advice, and helps avoid common pitfalls. So, solo ad providers. And as individuals or businesses who sell access to their curated email lists, purchasing solo ads means you are sending promotional emails that get sent directly to the audience, providing instant traffic and potential commissions for your offers. So yeah, let's go. Daily traffic routine. A step-by-step plan outlining consistent daily actions for driving targeted digital traffic to offers. Routines often include social posts, email marketing, paid ads, and engagement tactics to maximize exposure and conversions. Online traffic, the flow of visitors to a website, landing page, or digital offer. Online traffic can come from various sources, including solo ads, social media, and search engines, and direct outreach. Done for you email and messenger scripts. Pre-written proven for email marketing and messenger campaigns. These are simplified the outreach process, and it is easy for resellers to communicate effectively with prospects and drive sales. So you can also use Facebook groups for growth strategies. Actionable strategies designed to grow and engage in groups. Techniques may include community building, posting, schedules, engagement hooks, and leveraging network effects to expand group membership and foster loyalty. And not for lastly, Facebook Reels. Short form vertical videos designed for Facebook, often used to boost engagement and drive traffic to offers. The package provides access to creators, exact reels for instant use or inspiration in marketing campaigns. So, and again, it's only $100, so you can get it access down below the free video if you want to know more about it. Let's go. Like and subscribe.